Unger has served the professional industry for years, and one of the nice things that they've done is they've always put together a great set of documentation. So you get a user manual and a quick start guide that show you how to use the Rinse and Go. Rinse and Go comes with a intermediary hose that goes between your bib and this unit so that you can then connect your garden hose to this for pure water cleaning. A tester to make sure that you're still creating pure water. A soaper gun with different jets on the end to soap up and then turn around and rinse the car later from this. And finally, you get resin replacements in little bags that look like this that are sealed up hermetically. Don't open it until you're ready to use it because it will clean the air instead of cleaning your water, and it ages like bread. So keep it airtight. Rinse and Go from Unger. A very nice little compact occasional pure water cleaning